Hey everyone, this is Jane from Where the Locals Grow, and in today's video we are going to unbox a brand new green stock that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. If you all are new here, welcome. If you're returning them, okay y'all, here we go. This is actually my third green stock in my green stock family. We got this one during the Valentine's Day sale that just happened, what was it, 2 weekends ago? And I found out about that sale from another YouTuber who shall remain nameless because I'm not sure I could use her name in a video, but she let everybody know that Greenstock was having a sale, and man, did they have a really good sale. So we bought the 7-tier leaf. So this is the top and the reservoir. Let's see if I can back that up a little bit. The top reservoir. These are the trays that go in between each of the tiers. Allows the water to come in, fill up, and then drain through these tiny little holes. And then Greenstock is always really good. They like to send stickers, and you always get some seeds and full instructions. These will tell you everything that will grow if you decide to get one. I recommend getting them when they're on sale because they can be a little expensive. And then this, this is who my Greenstock was packed by, Dylan. And then this is what, so I had to stop the video because I had to move that big heavy box down so you could see what they look like. So here is one of the containers. This is the terracotta. So when you set this up, I'm just going to do a brief demonstration, and then later on I will do a video when I finish setting up all of my my green stocks. So this is the reserve that goes in between each tier. So when you put it on, you're going to put it down right there, and then this is the top. And so you just line up. You just line up. You see the little grooves right here? You're going to line those up all the way around and gently put it on just like that. Now it'll, once it has dirt and it's heavier, it actually pushes everything down, so don't worry about that it's not fitting completely. This is the top reservoir. This is where you fill it up, and you fill it up to the top line, and then all the water trickles down. And I'm telling you, you can grow anything you want in here. Last year I grew lettuce, spinach, peppers, a variety of peppers, sweet peppers, including bell peppers and hot peppers. I grew cucumbers, green beans, all different varieties of herbs. I also grew I grew some flowers in some of these. Last year I only planted 2 of these marigolds, and if I can find a picture, I'll post it up with this video. But man, it didn't matter that I had just this tiny little reserve. It grew, and they just vined straight down. It was so pretty when they bloomed. But in the next video, I'll show you how to set it up, plant it, and I'll see you then. if you found value in this little short video of unboxing my Valentine's Day present, please give us a like and a thumbs up, a dirty thumb, green thumb at that. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification button, because we'll have lots of new videos coming out as the gardens change, and I would hate for you to miss anything. And please feel free to leave us a comment down below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, and I love just talking to y'all. So until I see you in the next video, y'all keep growing. Bye-bye.